Hi, this is Dr. Tana Nazar, back answering some of our patients' frequently asked questions. This person writes in and asks, how many times do I have to come in? Well, that's easy. Come as often as you want to heal, feel great, defy age, and live pain-free. Because each individual is unique on every level, it's difficult to know how many times you will need to be adjusted in order to reach each of your health goals. For practical purposes, we can estimate your initial schedule, but that is subject to change according to your rate of progress and goals. One thing is for sure, your goals and your expectations will determine your care plan, frequency, and duration. This is Dr. Nazar, and I look forward to seeing you soon.